In New Orleans, there's plenty of famous restaurants that are just packed with tourists. But if you live here, you need your own places to go. You know, that the out-of-towners don't know about. Like this joint, Joey K's.
All right, guys, y'all enjoy.
It's the typical neighborhood restaurant in New Orleans.
You know the menu by the days?
Great down-home, comfortable food.
Prices are good, food's great. They make you feel welcome. What more could you ask for?
The owners are really nice people.
They're nice people.
They're great.
That'd be Cindy Farnay and her husband, Sam. Had you been in the restaurant business?
Never. Ever.
Till 89.
There you go.
When they got a chance to run this local landmark and decided, hey, why not?
We're drawn into it.
Right here.
And they might have been new to the biz, but as New Orleans natives,
You will enjoy it.
they knew what mattered
Keeping the customers happy.
with local favorites. Red beans and rice good?
I have to go for the fried oysters, #1.
Shrimp poboy.
All served up by head chef Darren Smith.
All right.
Known by everyone as Chef Smitty.
We'll make a shrimp magazine.
Named for the street Joey K's has been on for decades. How are you enjoying the magazine?
It's very good.
Some artichokes in there. It's very tasty.
How do we start it?
Flour, kosher salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, mixing it up. Now I'm about to dredge shrimp in my seasoned flour. I add a little butter to my pan.
Whoa, we got some butter in there, huh? It's like a hot tub of butter. It's like the public pool at Flavortown.
Oh yeah, I'm about to add my shrimp to that nice butter.
Shrimp into the deep end.
Let that saute for a few minutes. Turn the shrimp over.
Okay. That's an abundance of butter.
Add artichoke heart, a little diced ham,
I like the language you're speaking.
white wine.
The meeting here at Flavortown is going really well.
Oh yeah, with the shrimp,
It's all good.
granulated garlic,
Johnny Monster flavor just jumped in.
a little black pepper, a little kosher salt.
Can't saute it too long because you're going to turn those shrimp tough, right?
Oh yeah, fresh basil, green onions, and a little chopped garlic. Stir that up.
And we're good to go there. And what are we going to serve that over?
Angel hair pasta.
Like that. Serve it up.
All right, then I'm going to
And where are you going with the rest of that sauce? You think you're fooling?
a little Parmesan cheese.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Let me tell you the 90 reasons I like this. Every ingredient that went in there, I dig. The ham and that shrimp, nice little battering on there, nice and tender. Butter, white wine, garlic. Yeah.
Can't go wrong with that.
Rich, very filling. Good, very good.
It was good that you named the street after this dish. We love to go to the places you send us, and this time it's New Orleans. Nice job, by the way. To where folks are going nuts for a local sandwich called a poboy. So the next time you're on a poboy patrol and you're in New Orleans, you gotta check out Parasol.
Roast beef po' boy. The best po' boy I've ever had. Great beef, great bun.
Made with tender love and care.
When it's stripping down your arms, you know it's good.
Best in the city.
A po' boy means a sandwich. You got shrimp po' boy and oyster po' boy and ham po' boy.
The roast beef is the best.
And it's the one that made Parasols a local legend.
This is the best.
Not one of the best.
No, this is the best.
This is the best.
Yes, absolutely.
By the way, this is Ross who sent us the email and said I gotta come here. What makes it so good?
This just melts in your mouth.
Jeff puts a little TLC in his po' boy.
Yes, he does. That'd be Jeff Carreras,
Roast beef.
who bought this joint 10 years ago
Oyster.
and kept things the way they've always been, especially the roast beef. This is what was taught to you?
Yeah, this was handed down from the Parasol family, which owned Parasols. Take an inside round, get it nice and lean to be boiled,
Boiled, not roasted.
not roasted.
I don't know, man. That scares me.
And you let me know. To the hot tub.
Just water, no seasoning?
Straight water, no seasoning.
That doesn't make any sense.
Seasoning comes afterwards.
Okay. Now, how long do these go down for?
About an hour and a half.
We're going completely cooked. We're not looking for any medium rare.
No medium rare here, dude.
Just boiled beef.
That's
I'm expecting something big. I mean, they email me and say, you gotta go to the Parasol, you gotta go to the Parasol.
We'll get your taste buds dancing here in a little bit.
Now what happens?
Let it cool a little bit, then we'll slice it up, throw some gravy on it, and ready to be served.
Our hot cauldron.
From that stock is when we mix together the seasonings to make the gravy. Some flour, some oil, a little black pepper, garlic powder, a little salt.
What was that, 2 cups, 3 cups of garlic powder?
Pretty much about a 1 pounder.
How much gravy is this gonna make?
4 gallons of gravy.
Wow.
A little kitchen bouquet for color.
And you make this how many times a week?
Every day.
You make this every day.
Every day.
This is gonna go into the boiling cauldron.
Yep. Try not to get any on you, man. Nothing but brown gravy.
Taste this. Wow. I wouldn't kick that out of the sandwich.
No, indeed not. That's what makes it.
You can serve that on my flip-flop, it tastes good.
It's nice and easier to slice once it's cold, you know?
It was like beef jerky, dude.
Dry, no flavor. For now. From here, we're just putting gravy on it, sticking it into the oven, about an hour or so, if that.
Dude, you better be delivering. Roast beef is done.
Final outcome of it.
Now you're going to show me the roast beef po' boy that you won all these awards for. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that thing.
Cut that bread in half.
Okay, now we toast this?
Not yet.
We toast the bread, though, right?
We do toast the bread.
You like to toast the bread after you put everything on it?
Yes.
Is that enough?
That's for one side, sure. Lock it out, man.
And this is how you make it.
That is pretty much the roast beef po' boy. Stick it in the oven, let it toast the bread nice and toasty for a couple minutes.
Mister, I just put lettuce in the oven. What's that all about? Toast the bread ahead of time.
No, it's not the way we do things around here.
Evidently.
Dig into that.
That roast beef is capital T tender, man.
Oh, yeah, it just falls apart as dry as it was earlier.
From as dry as it was, juicy, meshy, creamy. That's legit right there. But I gotta tell you, dude, that's great. When I saw that roast beef, I'm like, there's no way the gravy's gonna save this. Nice job, brother. Here in New Orleans, everybody knows Magazine Street. It's full of history and restaurants. And you'll find some of the best of both at this local landmark, Casamento's, where they've been doing it old school for close to 90 years.
Here y'all go.
Is this like the appetizer bar?
Just starting on my first dozen. I love the raw oysters here.
It's like a tradition.
It's historic.
You're just gonna split them? All right.
I'm here for the best.
The place is just busting out of the seams here. And it's been that way since 1919, when original owner, Joe Casamento, shucked his first oyster here. And this is the way it's always been?
Always been.
And third-generation owner, C.J. Gertis, is still shucking them like Grandpa did.
Customers come in here, right? As soon as they see guys shucking, they'll look over the counter and say, how they looking today?
Do you like the big ones or the little ones?
At Casamento's, they all taste good.
Is there a shucker number 1 and a shucker number 2?
He's number 1.
He's number 1.
He's number 1. Best in the city.
5-time champ? That'd be Mike Rogers.
Number 1 sucker.
Right there. Go. Okay, that was the first one in 6 seconds. 2 in 12 seconds. That's 6 in 34 seconds. That's 8. And this will round out 10 in a minute and 5 seconds. And you need more people? You put it up against this thing. Okay, so you're holding it open like that and then just give it a little flick over.
Use it with your
Let
thumb.
your thumb do the work. Okay, there we go. Like that.
There you go.
Now it doesn't look like a frog in a blender.
Did good.
I always start off with raw oysters.
They're the best.
Just a plate and a setup.
This is called the setup. Elaborate.
All the condiments and everything on the table already.
They just give you all the ingredients and you mix it.
Everything from horseradish to hot sauce.
Mine's half horseradish and half ketchup.
A whole lot of lemon.
I put ketchup, hot sauce, and horseradish. They're really good.
And then just,
Down it goes.
wow, that's nice and smooth.
That's always the sandwich, yeah.
It's just such a fresh, vibrant flavor. How many oysters does the average shucker do in a day?
We'll go through, like on a Friday, a busy day, about 25 sacks. That's 120 oysters in a sack.
Wow, that's a lot of shucking. No choice. A lot of the regulars can't wait to come back, which makes it pretty tough on them in the summer. 3 months and you guys just click and everybody goes on vacation?
Everybody gets depressed.
We ride by to see when the sign is out that they're going to be back.
Let's find a spot. It looks like it's open.
So when you come, you have a couple dozen raw. And then the loaf, that's the perfect dinner.
I had an oyster loaf.
Oyster loaf?
It's not like a meatloaf either.
What it is a mess of fresh fried oysters on 2 slabs of fresh bread.
We open them early in the morning to fry.
So you're shucking fresh oysters to fry also?
Right. Put them in my corn flour and my salt.
So real precise measurement technique?
Just a handful.
Okay. We're not going to hit them in the egg wash or anything? We're
Not the oysters.
just drop them in a bunch of them. We have these things called deep fat fryers? Okay. Just want to make sure. You're just going to keep doing it the same way?
Oh, yeah. Old-fashioned pots. Use pure lard. Don't use any kind of oil. This is the bread we use right here.
I don't know that I have seen a loaf of bread not sliced.
It's actually made this morning.
And I don't know that on Triple D I've seen anybody whip out the holiday carving knife either.
Oh, yeah. Bread comes this soft.
There's no cutting it with
There's no
anything
cut it
else.
with anything else. We just push it down. It's toasted under an open fire.
We toast both sides. A little butter.
You can have it plain or you can have it dressed.
Would you like it dressed? Lettuce, tomato, and mayo?
Why don't we make 1 half dressed and 1 half
One half
plain?
plain?
There you go. I don't even know if I can get through 1 half. I feel that Philly hunch coming in. I mean, a little privacy. Oh, my God. Boy, that's stretch tasting.
Can't get any fresher.
The arm, in case you want some of it. Anybody tells me that they don't like oyster sandwiches, let them go to Casamento's.
Come Casamento.
I want to have them have a little talk with CJ.
That's right.
Look at that.
And what a lot of people put on there is that Tabasco. It really kicks in.
I like the way you roll. Or the way you loaf. So So on the next stop of this Triple D New Orleans tour, here we are in the city of Harahan. Now, it's about 20 minutes from downtown New Orleans and about 10 minutes away from the River Shack Tavern that we shot just years ago. Now, when you drive by this place, first thing you're gonna say is, oh yeah, a shrimp and po' boy joint. Oh, don't judge a book by a cover for sure on this one, because they've got chapters of culinary good that you just gotta read about. This is Scyther's Seafood.
I got a pecan salad.
It's where people that are from New Orleans go eat.
One boiled seafood platter.
All your favorite New Orleans style dishes done in Jason's way.
That's Jason Scyther,
Make it snow.
who grew up in the bayou, boiling crawfish with his dad and cooking in the kitchen with his mom.
I'm respecting the old school ingredients, but I'm just incorporating my own style into it.
Here's a volcano.
A volcano is actually something that I get almost every time we come.
It's a lot of familiar things presented in a way you never saw.
The volcano is basically like an upside-down Asian taco salad, if you can imagine.
Oh,
that.
you hear about those every day.
First, we're gonna make the blackening seasoning. I got some paprika right here.
Some paprika.
Black pepper, sea salt, parsley flakes, granulated onion, granulated garlic, and then the Italian seasoning.
Okay. So now we have the fresh ahi.
Right? This is local.
So if you can't get it fresh, you just won't be serving it.
That's exactly right.
The best attitude. We'll sear this off. Next up.
Spicy mayo, I call it dragon sauce, just
Okay.
to have a cool name. All it is mayo.
And sriracha.
I like to add a little bit of water to it because when I put it in the squeeze bottles, I could like draw with it.
I don't speak
Draw with
Cajun.
it.
That's how you say draw with it in Cajun?
Draw with it.
Next.
The crab salad.
Okay.
I'm taking this shredded connie that they use in sushi
Kanikama,
rolls.
Right, so this is pollock.
Take some of this
Ooh,
sauce.
The Cajun measuring system.
Right. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make this volcano. All
I'm
right.
on the edge of my seat.
Here we go.
Gorgeous.
Lay the tuna around here. Avocados, lettuce right in the middle. Put the shrimp on there. The spicy mayo that we made. Eel sauce. Sriracha.
Dizzy.
Take the taco shell, turn it upside down. Put some of the snow crab salad on top of spicy mayo. Eel sauce. A little bit more sriracha. And then I finish it off with sesame seeds. So that right there is the volcano. And it
See, it just erupted. Interesting. Do you jump on it? Do you hit it with an elbow?
I mean, you just gotta go at it.
I was able to build a bite there, folks.
Right, so you got like a little nacho right there.
I don't care what you do with it. When you serve tuna that fresh, I mean, that's legit. That's really legit. I'm not a huge sauce guy, but I think this is a showstopper. I mean, people see this come out, they're gonna go, wow.
It's like an awesome little salad, and it looks cool too.
Can I go?
Go for it, dude. All right, walking in the door, I got a volcano.
Jason's just sort of pushed the creative envelope.
Delicious, and you can feel like you're eating something special.
When I started off, it was like a seafood market, so I got all these different awesome connections with crabs and shrimp.
The way you treat food and the imagination you have as a chef and the appreciation you have for fresh seafood, you're doing a great job, man.
Appreciate it.
Excellent. So I'm here in one of the greatest food cities in the world, New Orleans, to check out one of the most iconic foods of the area, the sandwich known as the po' boy. And I hear one of the joints that's just knocking it out of the park is Mahony's. And to get that full New Orleans experience and get the real lowdown on the po' boy, I invite my good friend, king of local cuisine, renowned chef Emeril Lagasse.
Hey, Guy, how you doing, bud?
I'm great, brother. Po' boys, this place got it?
Mahony's. This is it. Let's check it out. Hey, what's going on, Sean? What's going on, guys?
How are you? So we show up to get po' boy rundown. I had to bring the king with me, so.
I understand. New Orleans
We're
legend
neighbors.
right here.
We're neighbors.
We're neighbors.
All right, there's real specifics about making a great po' boy. What is that?
Well, I think it's all about the bread, and I think
gotta
it's
have the
about the
bread.
quality ingredients.
Bread down.
And Emeril says Chef Benjamin Wicks
Small cochon.
is doing it right.
That's why they're Mahony's. High quality, poor boys done right.
And done 22 different ways.
Catfish.
Ben is very creative.
Large French fry po' boy.
And your favorite?
Chicken liver and coleslaw.
Chicken liver and coleslaw, and one called the Peacemaker.
Picking up Peacemaker.
Fried oysters, bacon, and cheddar. It's awesome.
Where did the Peacemaker get its name?
Say you're out too late at the Saints game.
Right.
You know, you have to have peace with the missus.
So
you bring home the peacemaker.
Okay.
All I use is 2 parts cornmeal, 1 part flour, and oysters.
Look at that. We have great seafood in Louisiana.
These are local oysters from P&J right here. And we just got them in as well.
All right, so we're breaded up.
I just shook the excess breading off, and then we fry them in peanut oil. Cook for maybe a minute until it turns golden brown.
They're getting happy right now.
They're getting happy.
This is it right here.
Look at how beautiful that is.
A little salt, and that's it. Here's your Leidenheimer bread.
Now, the bread here in New Orleans.
You have to use Leidenheimer bread.
Leidenheimer's.
See how light and airy that is?
Like a pillow.
You just want to lay in there and go to sleep. Covered with oysters.
You are insane.
So mayo, it has to be blue plate mayo.
That's a local mayonnaise.
Oh yeah. Local pickles called Cajun chef, and tomatoes and lettuce. A couple of slices of bacon on here. Cheddar cheese.
Oh yeah.
Cheese with seafood. Match made in heaven.
Look at those oysters.
Get as many on there as you can now. You see that?
I mean, that's incredible.
Watch this.
Oh, yes. Isn't that great?
Dynamite. Because the way it was battered as fast as you flash fried it, it doesn't taste oily by any means.
Fry right or don't fry at all. That's the perfect bite right there. See the mayonnaise is coming out, the oyster, the cheese, the tomato.
A little bit in every bite.
Even with the bacon, everything in there, predominant flavor
Is the oysters.
is the oyster.
Absolutely. Hey guys, I got a little gig with my foundation this afternoon.
Dig it.
I'll see you later.
Thank you, sir.
I'll see you always.
Big E, thanks, man.
See you, Brad.
Nice having you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Dude, Triple D shows up in your house and Emerald Lagasse. Yeah!
All right, peacemaker.
If there's going to be world peace on this earth, bacon and oysters, that's going to do it.
Large piece.
Nice and crisp. All this good stuff together is delicious.
It's wonderful. I really, really like it.
So did the folks at the New Orleans Po' Fest.
We went with the peacemaker, and we went with the fried chicken livers and Creole coleslaw.
Creative, quality, scratch made. We'll be back.
Definitely.